automatic, administrate my mind. All you get is static. I got the right intention, pop the mayor's attention. I'm back tracking all the things I forgot to mention.
Hey you guys, I'm back again. Today I'm giving you guys a 2-part tutorial, so stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. I'm starting off with the hair tutorial. On my face, I have a Studio Beauty face mask. I think it's an aloe face mask. So first, I'm gonna spray my hair with some water and conditioner mixed in some random bottle. After that, I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner by, I believe it's Shea Butter. I didn't have a comb, so I'm doing like a fake detangle with this brush. Now I'm just using my Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one, and I'm just gonna put that all around. And then I'm going to smooth it in with my hands and then use the brush to smooth it back down so I can get a sleek look. I'm going to use this headband that I got from Walgreens, I think. So I'm just going to slide it up and then I'm going to take it and wrap it around one more time so I can get it as tight as possible. That's how I'm going to get the sleek look. And like I said, I didn't have a real comb, so I'm just using like random things to pick my hair out. So I'm using this little tiny little baby comb to tease my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the brush and tease it some more because I couldn't find a comb or a pick. Now I'm gonna do my edges. And let me tell y'all how these edges was so cute and fleeky, right? And then I go and I wrap my hair up, and then at the end when I take my wrap off, my edges coming up with the wrap, and I'm like, what? I was like, oh my gosh, I put so much work into these edges and they were so cute and fleeky, and it just had to get messed up. So I had to go and put some water on my edges because by the time I took it off, I didn't have no gel around me. No, I'm lying. I did have gel, but I just didn't have time. So I just put some water on it and I left. That's why my edges wasn't as fleeky in the intro. But it's okay though. It's okay. I wasn't even mad. I'm not gonna lie, I was mad. I was real sad. I don't really know how to explain what I'm doing, but you guys can kind of see, like, you know, I'm using the comb to swoop my edges, and then I'm using my finger just to lay it down and smooth it and give it that, like, you know, that fleekiness, that fleek look. Also, you guys let me know how you guys like my music selection for this video. I think it was kind of bomb. I know it's a little weird, but I think it was different and I liked it. So you guys let me know what you think about it. So now I'm just tying my hair up and I'm gonna take my mask off. You guys gonna see me struggling a little, but that's because the mask didn't dry all the way, so it didn't come off as easily as it should have. I think this is a good mask. It's not the best mask, but I think it's good. It does what it should do, I think. But I'm gonna let you guys know. So today is just an eyeshadow tutorial. Oh my god, sorry guys. I'm not gonna film my skin routine. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do eyeshadow today. I'm gonna try to go in detail. Let's see how that goes. So you guys know I just used my Pure Beige LA Colors concealer, blend that out. But I did a couple things different today. So today, instead of setting my concealer with my Sacha Buttercup, I went in with my Mary Kay translucent powder. I think that one's a little bit better for my eyeshadow than the Sacha. So I'm gonna go in with my Magic palette by Juvias, and I'm gonna use the color Kogi. And I'm gonna use my brush from BH Cosmetics. It's a big fluffy brush. After that, I'm highlighting under my eyebrows with the color Baronu. Sorry for the pauses, guys. I'm looking at the names as I go because these names are really weird. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. After that, my next shade is going to be Zobo from the Masquerade palette. This is Zobo. blending the colors together so it has a smooth transition. Now I'm going in with the color Ife from the Magic palette. I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm using like small little detail brushes because I wanted the dark purple to be like really like okay in my crease and not over my crease. But when I went in to blend out my colors, it spread everywhere, but it still kind of gave me the look I was going for, so I'm not even mad about it. So now I'm just blending out that color. And I'm going to go back in just to deepen that color the way I told you guys I wanted it to look. I'm just gonna keep blending until it looks like smooth and you know. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Use the small detail brushes to get in my crease and make sure it's right there in my crease. And I know when I blend it out it's gonna spread, so I'm just gonna go back in again with another small detail brush and I'm gonna add it to my crease just to deepen it up. I know I do a lot in my eyeshadows and it takes a while, guys, so bear with me. I just want it to look good. Now I'm gonna start my crease. I'm using the color Pure Beige. I like to cut my crease like right where that line where my eyes open, like when I open my eyes and you can see where my crease is. I like to do my crease there. Some people like to go over their eyeball, but I don't because I have a really big eyeball. Like my eyeball sticks out, so I feel like if I go over that line it'll look a little weird. I did do that with my other tutorial, the soft cut crease I did, but I feel like it wasn't as bad because it was soft color and then it wasn't like, you know, it wasn't really two different tones of colors, so it didn't show as much. But I don't know, maybe that's just me.
In the club getting faded.
Now I'm going in with the color Faso. I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now I'm using the color Makita. So I'm creating a sandwich between the two colors. So I use Faso in the middle and I'm using the color Makita on the sides. And I'm just going to be flipping my brush back and forth to blend it in kind of and create like a transition so it's not harsh lines. I didn't get to show you guys the full tutorial of how I did my skin, so I just put some pictures at the end so you guys get to see how everything looked. And that's about it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want more eyeshadow looks like this. Tell me, please tell me if you guys like the music, because I loved it, but I want to give you guys what you guys love, so let me know. Thank you for watching.